Have you ever wondered what medicine was like 1,000 years ago? Forget leeches and strange potions. We're diving into a world of incredible knowledge, a world documented in one of the most important medical books ever written, the Canon of Medicine. This wasn't just a book, it was the ultimate medical encyclopedia of its time, written by the legendary Persian physician Ibn Sina, also known as Avicenna in the West. For over 600 years, this masterpiece was the go-to textbook for doctors in both the Islamic world and Europe. Imagine a single work shaping the course of medicine for centuries. So what made the canon so revolutionary? Well, for starters, it was incredibly comprehensive. It was a massive collection of 5 books, covering everything from the basic principles of anatomy and physiology to detailed descriptions of diseases and their treatments. Ibn Sina didn't just rehash old ideas. He systemized all known medical knowledge from Greek, Roman, Persian, and Indian sources, and then added his own groundbreaking observations and discoveries. He was one of the first to understand that diseases could spread through water and soil, a concept we now know as epidemiology. He even described conditions like meningitis and tuberculosis with stunning accuracy. Let's break it down. Book 1 was the foundation, laying out the general principles of medicine, anatomy, and health. Think of it as the Medicine 101 of the 11th century. Book 2 was a complete guide to materia medica, basically a massive list of about 800 different drugs, plants, and minerals, detailing their properties and how to use them for healing. He was a pioneer in pharmacology, and this book was the definitive guide for apothecaries and physicians for generations. It wasn't just a list. He explained how to test new drugs, a precursor to modern clinical trials. Then comes Book 3, which focused on special pathology. This was a head-to-toe guide to diseases affecting specific parts of the body, from headaches and eye problems, all the way down to foot ailments. Ibn Sina provided detailed diagnoses and treatments. Book 4 dealt with general pathology, covering conditions that affect the whole body, like fevers and poisons. He even discussed the importance of quarantine to prevent the spread of contagious diseases, an idea that is incredibly relevant to us today. This section also delved into what we might now call cosmetic medicine and maintaining overall well-being. Finally, Book 5 was the formulary, a recipe book for complex medicines. It contained recipes for over 650 compound drugs, like special syrups, elixirs, and ointments. It was the practical guide that brought all the theory from the other books to life, allowing doctors to create the exact remedies their patients needed. What's truly amazing is how logical and systematic it all was. Ibn Sina emphasized observation, diagnosis, and evidence-based treatment. He wasn't just guessing. He was practicing a form of scientific medicine that was centuries ahead of its time. The Canon of Medicine wasn't just a collection of facts. It was a philosophical and practical guide to healing that viewed the human body as an intricate, interconnected system. It bridged the gap between ancient wisdom and the dawn of modern science, and its influence can still be felt in medicine today. It's a powerful reminder that the quest for knowledge and healing is a timeless human endeavor. Thanks for journeying back in time with us. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more dives into the amazing history of science. See you next time.